Telerobotics. Telerobotics is the area of robotics concerned with the control of semi-autonomous robots from a distance, chiefly using wireless networks like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the deep space network and similar networks or together connections. It is a combination of two major subfields, teleoperation and telepresence. A telemanipulator or teleoperator is the device that is controlled remotely by a human operator. In simple cases, the controlling operator's command actions correspond directly to actions in the device controlled, as for example, in a radio controlled model aircraft or tethered deep submergence vehicle, where communications delay make direct control impractical, such as a remote planetary rover, or it is designed to reduce operator workload, as in a remotely controlled spy or attack aircraft. The device will not be controlled directly, instead being commanded to follow a specific path. At increasing levels of sophistication, the device may operate somewhat independently in matters such as obstacle avoidance, also commonly employed in planetary rovers. Two major components of telerobotics and telepresence are the visual and control applications. A remote camera provides a visual representation of view from the robot, placing the robotic camera in a perspective that allows intuitive control is a recent technique that, although based in science fiction, has not been fruitful, as the speed, resolution and bandwidth have only recently been adequate to a task of being able to control the robot camera in a meaningful way. Using a head-mounted display, the control of the camera can be facilitated by tracking the head as shown in the figure below. NASA has proposed use of highly capable telerobotic system for future planetary exploration using human exploration from orbit. In a concept of Mars exploration proposed by Landis, a precursor mission to Mars could be done, in which the human vehicle brings a crew to Mars but remains in orbit rather than landing on the surface. While a highly capable remote robot is operated in real time on the surface, such a system would go beyond the simple long time delay robotic and move to regime of virtual telepresence on the planet. One study of this concept, a human exploration using real-time robotic operations HERO concept, suggested that such a mission could be used to explore a wide variety of planetary destinations. Application of telerobotics. Marine applications. In marine, remotely operated vehicle ROVs are widely used to work in water too deep or too dangerous for divers. They repair offshore oil platform and attach cables to sunken ships to host them. They are usually attached by tether to a control center on a surface ship. The wreck of the Titanic was explored by an ROV, remotely operated vehicle, as well as by a crew operated vessel. Telemedicine field. Additionally, a lot of telerobotic research is being done in the field of medical devices and minimally invasive surgical systems. With a robotic surgery system, a surgeon can work inside the body through tiny holes just big enough for the manipulator, with no need to open up the chest cavity to allow hands inside. Emergency response and law enforcement robots. NIST maintains a set of test standards using for emergency response and law enforcement telerobotic systems. Thank you.